What up, good people? Huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Today we're introducing the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Limited Edition. This particular model wrapped in black for the length 184 inches, height 56 inches. You have a wheelbase of 107 inches with a ground clearance of 5.5 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, aka 4-banger, pushing out 147 for the torque, 132 at 4,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 40, city, 30. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 17-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPMs with your engine temp. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, where you can go through your temperature level, drive mode, driving info, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel you have your menu button with your cruise control setting with your gap and follow assist. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your interior dim with your traction control alongside your lane keep assist. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Blue Link. Now we've made our way down to your traditional radio shortcuts alongside your engine start button. You have your dual climate control. In the cover you have your 2 USB outlets alongside your 12-volt outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your camera view. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model have a smart screen intelligent verbal transmission. The buttons right here are your electronic parking with your parking hold. You have your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect and your Blue Link. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with black leather seats. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 14.2 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of 40-inch TVs back here.
once again, huge shout out to Hall Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.